ओके आमना, सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे आपका।
थैंक यू।
थोड़ा सा अगर आपके बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहें हमारी ऑडियंस को आप।
मेरा नाम आमना मंजाल है एंड मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। आई वॉज born एंड raised in Delhi and I have completed my acting training with Mr. Adil Hussain sir with Kishore Namit Kapoor Acting Institute in Mumbai. I've also done a theatre workshop with Sriram Theatre which is in Delhi, and I'm here to make my career in this beautiful and magnificent industry which is Bollywood.
Right. And how was your experience working with Adil Hussain sir, and how was the learning experience of yours?
आई थिंक वो एक बहुत ही हम्बल इंसान है एंड वर्किंग विद हिम वॉज सच एन एनरिचिंग एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई लव्ड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्कशॉप. आई गॉट टू नो सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट दिस ब्यूटिफुल क्राफ्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट मैं किशोर नमित कपूर सर के यहाँ पर भी गई एंड मतलब आई कान थैंक गॉड इनफ कि मुझे किशोर सर और आदिल सर जैसे गुरुज मेरी लाइफ में मिले एंड मेरी इस इंडस्ट्री की स्टार्टिंग जर्नी में ही वो मेरे साथ है. So I think no, I'm so lucky and blessed. Touch wood.
And why only acting?
Because actually I was in school in 10th and 11th standard that मैंने श्री राम थिएटर का थिएटर वर्कशॉप किया and stage show किया. And when I was performing on stage, it was that experience was just out of the world. Every minute of that experience was कि मुझे पूरी life यही करना है. And I decided that I want to be an actor. Then after that, doing other workshops and other courses, ये तो बिल्कुल decide कर लिया कि actor बनना है because I love this craft and I would love to live so many lives in one. So why not acting?
And tell us about your music video, what response you are getting for the music video and how it happened.
So I was in Delhi in the lockdown, and January में I went to DM Stars India. It's a casting agency in Delhi, and मैंने जाकर audition दिया because I read that there's a requirement for an upcoming music video and we need a new girl. So I went there, I gave the audition, and I went for the second round of audition, and they liked me. So we had a lot of look tests with makeup, without makeup, and finally I was taken in, and I loved the process. The shooting process was fun, and we shot for 24 hours straight in Delhi. On 15th of January we shot, and मतलब day night करके that experience on set, it was like a family on set and I enjoyed every moment. And now the output is there in the form of the music video. It's called कितने दूर हो तुम, and it's on YouTube, on DM Stars India Production YouTube channel, and it's composed and sung by Mr. Arsh Sharma, and I'm the main protagonist in that. So looking forward and how people like it, because it's a different video. It's not like a normal music video we see. It's very unconventional. It talks about the journey of the mind, the journey of the soul, and हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में हम कभी ना कभी ऐसे फेज से गुजरते हैं. सो आई फील जब आप वो वीडियो देखेंगे तो आप उससे रिलेट ज़रूर कर पाएंगे. तो जाइए देखिए. इट्स ऑन DM Stars India production and it's called कितने दूर हो तुम.
Like also as an actor, कौन inspire करता है आपको?
I have many inspirations, of course, because as a filmy girl, movies देखकर बड़ी हुई हूँ, and I've had many role models. Of course, Adil Hussain sir and Kishore sir तो मेरे गुरु है ही, वो हमेशा मेरी inspiration रहेंगे. But other than that, if I talk about people in the industry who I have grown up watching, then it will definitely be someone like Alia Bhatt, Kangna Ranaut. I think all actresses are very talented, but these two are my favorite because I have learned a lot from them. And in men, it would definitely be someone like Ranbir Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan sir. He's a living legend, and it's my dream to at least share 1 minute of screen space with him in this lifetime. So let's see if that happens and when does it happen.
Since you have taken the name of आलिया भट्ट का बर्थडे है, कुछ विश करना चाहेंगे उनके लिए आज के दिन?
I would like to wish her a very, very happy birthday. May you always be blessed and have a long, happy, prosperous life. Keep entertaining us, and you are a bundle of talent, and I really love you, and I've learned a lot from you. Happy birthday.
Right. Coming back to your films, any particular genre you wanna explore in future?
No, I think I just said I'm in love with the craft. So I would love to explore different genres, different sides of me. And in this music video also, which I did, I have played different shades. So you'll see me as two different characters in one. And I think playing different parts is the best part of an actor's life. And I would love to do good concept driven, good commercial cinema, all kinds of cinema that comes my way and satisfies my soul as an actor. So looking forward to do a lot of work in future.
राइट, क्योंकि आप न्यू एक्टर है, बहुत सारे ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी आ गए हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि जो ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से मतलब ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी नए एक्टर्स, नए डायरेक्टर्स को इंडस्ट्री?
डेफिनेटली आई फील दैट जितने ज़्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म्स होंगे हमारा टैलेंट शो करने के लिए, उतनी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होंगी, उतने ज़्यादा फ्रेश फेसेस लॉन्च होंगे. एंड आई फील फॉर द आउटसाइडर्स लाइक मी, जिन्होंने सपना देखा है इस इंडस्ट्री में पैर रख कर काम करने का, आई फील उनके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है सारे ओ टी टी प्लेटफॉर्म्स. गुड कंटेंट इज़ बीइंग मेड इन इंडिया नाउ एंड it's very inspiring and we are lucky to be in this era where we can do so much of work.
Right. After this, any of your music video or upcoming project you would like to share with us?
As of now, I am preparing a 40-minute solo monologue under the guidance of Kishore sir, and it's a very heart-touching and an emotional journey inspired from true life events. And so it's solo 40 minutes direct, so it's a new experience for me too. And I'm loving the process of preparing and doing the characterization, and I think it will be a very impactful performance and something which the audience would love to see.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.